What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. There's Katie. So today we have a very special video for you guys. This will be my final unboxing product review. I take back everything I said on the last unboxing video. So today's video we're gonna be unboxing my first pair of AirPods. I actually got these for $100 from Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna unboxing, and then we're gonna show you guys everything that's included, and then we'll show you guys the setup pairing process to your devices, if it's iPhone, iPad, Mac, or anything like that. Let's unbox it. It's actually brand new too, so trying to make sure I don't cut myself. Boop. One last part. So satisfying. And open up sesame. Inside, your first off is our literature packet. That includes our quick start guide and regulatory information. So the quick start guide is so simple. All you have to do is turn on your Bluetooth, and then there'll be a button on your AirPods that will connect to your phone or device or anything like that, and then you're good. And here they are. Woo! Brand new in box. Let's go ahead and open that up. And then we'll get this down. Well, please. Come on now. There we go. So here they are, brand new in the container. There is a little tab right here in the middle. We'll lift that up. And inside we have our USB to Lightning cable charger for charging up the AirPods. So these AirPods can connect to any of your Apple devices, if it's an iPhone, iPad, iPod, or any of the Macs, such as a MacBook, or the iMacs, or your Apple TV. So I'm going to be pairing these up with my iPhone 5S right here. Set everything over to the side. I do want to go ahead and get this off the Lightning connector charging cord. Since I don't know what I'm going to do with this, this is actually pretty long. Pretty long.
Oh my Lord.
So, what? Heck. Alright, so first thing we're gonna see there's a little light. Magnetic. Okay, so first thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna take my iPhone off the charger, and we're gonna go ahead and I didn't open up the case. You guys see it? It says AirPods unlock to connect.
All you hear is I'm still standing in the background.
My Bluetooth isn't even on. So what we're gonna go ahead and turn on my Bluetooth, and we're going to press this little button right here. AirPods connect. So the AirPod charging case is actually at 76%, and the AirPods are charging at 85%. That is stunning. So we're gonna do that. And now, since we have these connect, we're gonna try these on for the first time. Which is right. This is left. That's so cool. Even says Christmas AirPods. Ah! What? Alright. Left. Let's do play and pause. Then right will be Siri. Hey Siri. Oh my gosh! Guys, literally this is beyond crazy. Look at this. Woo! Okay, so right now we're going to actually put these inside the charger case so we can charge these up. That is cool. That is cool. So one thing that's another cool feature, if you go down to your battery widget, we're going to connect these again. It tells you the process of which ones are charging. So the case itself is 73%. My AirPods are now charged up to 77%. So the case is dying down charging while my AirPods are charging. That is cool. And my phone's at 92%. So that is cool. That's just really cool. I enjoyed these things already. So, I don't. Well, let's see. The case supports 8 Lightning connector. So, of course, I'm gonna charge these before I head out. And as you can see, you can still charge your AirPods while your carrying case is charging. Well, that is cool. So, left one is at 88. My right one's at 78. But I'm gonna wait until everything's 100%. Everything. So yeah, that is it. Even if I open up my case isn't gonna charge. So yeah. Well, this is crazy. This is crazy. I have 3 lightning cables now. I left one at work, I have one at home, and I just got one with my AirPods. So yeah. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to smash that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on post notification. You don't miss a new video. And thank you guys so much for over... how many subscribers are we at today? Okay, I think we're at 453. Let's check it out. $452 subscribers, guys. You guys are amazing. If you guys want to subscribe, make sure you do. Help support the channel. I know I would really appreciate if you guys do that for me. And until next time, guys, stay hot. Have a great day. Oh, and one thing, we need to go check on the last video to see.
Required contact tomorrow.
Wait, it's tomorrow?
Yes.
I don't know.
Adults cost $5, students cost $3 in the main gym at FHS Fund.
Okay, go. So, on the previous video was basically something fire alarm related, and that goes to Jared Thompson. Thank you for your first comment on the previous video. If you guys want a shout out, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I want everyone's favorite question of the day. What is your favorite Apple product? If you're a big fan of Apple, what is your favorite product? I want you guys to leave that in the description down below in the comment section. And whoever comments first will get a shout out on my next video. Until next time, guys, stay hot, have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, Luigi's.